Welcome. You are listening Radio Central News. I'm Abhilasha Bharmouri. Now, news in detail. With the highest single-day spike in cases and deaths reported so far, the confirmed COVID-19 cases in the country jumped to 46,433 on Tuesday morning. A total of 3,900 confirmed cases were reported in the past 24 hours, the highest one-day spike reported. There were 195 deaths due to the deadly virus reported in the past 24 hours, taking the nationwide toll to 1,568 as per the government data. Meanwhile, the number of cured cases has now improved to 12,726. Maharashtra remains the worst affected state now, housing 14,541 cases, with fatalities also mounting to 583. Gujarat is at number 2 in terms of maximum COVID cases, with the figure now mounting to 5,804 cases and 319 fatalities. National capital at number 3 is housing 4,898 cases with a total of 64 fatalities so far, while the number in Madhya Pradesh mounted to 2,942 with 165 deaths. Civil Aviation's Minister Hardeep Singh Puri said that to evacuate Indians stranded abroad, 64 special flights will be operated in the first phase to bring back 15,000 people back from 12 countries. 10 flights from Saudi Arabia, 7 each from the US, the UK and Malaysia, 5 each from Saudi Arabia, Singapore, Philippines and Kuwait, and 2 each from Qatar, Bahrain and Oman will bring back Indian citizens to different states of the country. Maximum 15 flights will come to Kerala, bringing people from 7 countries. Tamil Nadu and Delhi NCR will have 11 flights each carrying people. Passengers will be brought from 9 countries in both the states. Puri said that the cost of these flights and the 14-day quarantine after returning home will have to be borne by the passengers themselves. The Supreme Court dismissed a petition seeking a direction to the Union government to ensure implementation of a Ministry of Home Affairs orders to landlords not to evict labourers and students and seek rent for a month due to COVID lockdown. The bench headed by Justice Ashok Bhushan and also comprising Justices Sanjay Kishan Kaul and B.R. Gawai dismissed the plea, saying the apex court cannot force the government to implement orders. The petitioners, lawyers Pawan Prakash Pathak and A.K. Pandey, through their plea, claimed that despite Ministry of Home Affairs orders, several instances have surfaced where landlords were forcing the tenants to either pay the rent or vacate the premises. The court told the petitioners that the centre has set up a helpline for any COVID-related issue. It has also asked them to withdraw the plea and approach a concerned authority for relief. Nobel laureate Professor Abhijeet Banerjee said India needs a bigger stimulus package to overcome the economic crisis caused by the spread of coronavirus. In a video interaction with the former Congress President Rahul Gandhi, Professor Banerjee said that the country should give money to the poorest of the poor so that they can buy in stores or they buy consumer goods. The noted economist also said that India should give money to the state governments to try out their own schemes, reach people who are excluded using NGOs. Responding to a question by Gandhi that what else Professor Banerjee thinks on the steps taken by the government, the letter said that migrant movement question cannot be handled by the state government and something can only be done by federal government. Radio Central News appeals you to stay at home and follow the guidelines given by the government from time to time to defeat this fatal virus. Please maintain social distancing and don't panic. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.